The title of short story. The title of short story.
Hello guys, we
My
have
English. Okay, my English.
short conversation.
Short conversation. Okay.
Short conversation with
I'll tell you short story of
our
English language.
elder. Huh?
I'll tell you short stories in English language. Let me explain it to you. Okay.
Okay. Explain with the
Title.
simple.
The title of the story.
The title.
The title of story.
Hmm.
The nice boy. Title. The nice boy.
The nice boy.
The nice boy. Okay.
I'm listening, guys.
Okay, a nice boy. I'll tell you short story. Yeah. My mother has been very old. Okay, okay, stop too. My mother, yeah, has been very old, but she's still strong. She's very fond of eating cereal and tobacco. When I come home from the market, I often bring some cereal and tobacco. I want to make her happy. I want to dismiss her because I know she won't long life again in the world. At home, she does nothing. She looks after all of her grandchildren. When the time for praying comes, I call my children, she calls his children, and she calls her children for praying together. In fact, she's not very troublesome. What she wants, just only cereal and tobacco. I pray to God, may she does in peace and peace. Thank you very much.
I don't know him, but suddenly he came to me, and this father started conversation first. Okay, what do you think, Mister? I call you sir. What do you think about how do you find me?
I don't know. I just read here.
Oh,
I
you
read
just
bahasa English.
read
I
bahasa
read-
Inggris.
Yeah, bahasa Inggris here. That means if you keep this, that means you love your English.
I have business with this
You-
advertise.
Oh, okay. You can use this advertisement. Advertisement.
And
Advertisement.
may I know your name?
My name is Mr. Balcony.
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 Balcony. Balcony.
Balcony.
Balcony. Okay, sir. Okay,
American
sir.
say to me that I am. What's your name, Mr. Balcony? I'll spell it. B-A-L. Okay, I spell it. B-A.
B-A-L.
K-N-I.
Okay.
N-I.
It's strange name, I think.
Yeah.
It's strange name.
Short name.
Not common. Not common, you know.
Balcony is the American name. American. My name is Mr. Balcony. Balcony. Muhammad Balcony.
Muhammad.
H.M. Balcony.
HM Balcony.
H.M.
HM because you already pilgrimage.
Pilgrimage course.
Waduh.
I have 3 times to Mecca.
Waduh.
3 times.
Guys, this is not standard, man. It's not common. Uncommon. Okay. Very rare. Very rare.
It's long time I don't teach English, you know. Maybe 10 years ago I don't teach English because I mean there is bahasa English. That means you love English, so that's why I call it in English. I see here.
When did
I see advertisement.
Yes, sir. When did you the last time you talk
Speak English.
Talk like this?
Like this.
You have conversation. When did the last time?
I teach English maybe.
No, the last time you talk, you have chat like this.
Yeah. No.
When?
In 2021. 2021. The last one.
No,
2000.
not the last time you have chatting like this.
Yeah. 2021. 2021.
So with your family or with your friends,
No, we have a private class.
no.
Private class.
I mean 2024, 23, you have conversation
teach
like
English.
this.
When I was maybe 10 years ago, the last time I did English. That's 10 years ago.
You speak in English?
Yeah.
The last time?
I teach English.
The last time?
10 years ago. I teach in private school and state school. Teach English. Private school and state school. University of Muhammadiyah, I teach English there. And
University Muhammadiyah.
10 years.
We don't know
20 years.
the year. The active year of our sir, our teacher.
Yeah, 20,000 in 20 years in Touch English in the University of Muhammadiyah, and then 10 years in the State Institute for Islamic Studies, Israel Fatah Palembang. 6 years. It's my experience in English language.
So in the
And then-
past, you are teacher, you are tutor, you are lecture,
I am lecturer.
teacher,
In University of Muhammadiyah,
Muhammadiyah,
University Muhammadiyah.
University Muhammadiyah,
Faculty of Law. I taught it in Faculty of Law.
Faculty of Law.
Yeah, I taught it in Faculty of Law.
Yes. So what do you feel when you again now you train your English, you practice again with me?
It's definitely
What do you feel?
automatic, because it is no more string for me to speak English. It is no more string for me to speak English. That's automatically English practice.
You still automatically
Yeah, automatic.
can understand
Yeah,
what
understand.
I am saying.
Yeah. Your English is very clear. It's not so difficult to understand it.
Sir, honestly, please answer my question honestly.
Uh-huh.
What can you value me the score of my English from 0 to 10?
I think
Tell me honestly.
I surely can understand. I want to. I can tell to predict your English.
Good
I
or
just hear your pronunciations.
uh,
It's why it's not so difficult to understand. But you want to know me, maybe because I am very fast in speaking English.
yes.
Because it's no more string for me to speak in English.
Sir,
Do you know it is no more string?
huh?
The meaning, it is no more string to speak in English. It is no more string for me to speak in English.
No more slang,
More string, stranger.
more strange.
More string.
Yes.
It is no more string for me. Dah asing lagi bagi aku bahasa Inggris.
I know, sir. No translate it because they don't know. Okay, our viewers, they cannot understand. Make him confused.
Your opinion.
Make them confused.
Confused? No.
No, make our viewers.
Do you know-
They cannot.
Before studying English, you must think. What do you have to study English? What do you have to study English? Why do you to study English? Why do you study English?
I just like it.
Oh, you like it?
I just like.
Besides that, can you answer? Another answers. Besides that, you like it because you like English. You study English because you like English. Okay?
The first one I just like it. The second one maybe I
Maybe
like.
you don't compare about the conditions of our nations if we respect English. Do you understand? We study English. Just only yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. There's no meaning at all.
Yeah.
In fact, we study English. There are two sides of reasons.
Two reasons. Okay.
Two sides of reasons.
The first one.
The first one,
Ah.
in connections with my nationality. In connection with my nationality. In connection with my nationality.
Connection.
In connection with my nationality.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Supaya nyambung dengan terhadap
Ada kaitannya dengan martabat bangsa.
martabat bangsa.
Ya.
Oh.
In connection with my nationality.
It's deep. It's deep.
In connection
Ah.
with nationality, there's three answers. The first, I don't remember anymore because
He don't remember.
Ah.
he doesn't remember.
1, 2, 3. There's three answers. The first,
The first,
because English is the world language.
the world
Because English is
international
the world language.
language.
Karena bahasa Inggris adalah bahasa dunia.
Yes. Second one.
Yeah. The second,
The second one.
I want to show to the first one. I want to show to the foreigners that my nation is not down. So they
Yes,
come
yes,
consider
yes,
us.
yes.
Sincerely.
Yes, our nation is not dumb.
So they can let us.
It's not stupid.
They can look at us fairly.
Yeah.
Since we got our freedom, we will sit and stand equal with all the free people in the world.
Yes. Okay.
Number 3, as the English is the world language. This is the first reasons
Ah.
that
The last,
I-
the number
I
3.
study English.
Repeat again, sir.
That attracts me, the first one.
Because nationality,
Uh,
connection.
The first, I want to show that that attracts me, that I study English.
Yes.
The
The first one that.
I want to show to the foreigners. I want to show to the foreigners that my nation is not dumb,
Uh,
so they can look at us inferiorly.
yeah.
Don't see it?
Mm.
Second, since we got our freedom, we will to sit and stand equally with all the free people in the world.
Yes. So we are
Number 3,
we are the same. Okay.
as the English is the world language. There's 3 reasons, 5 reasons.
Religion.
And you answer because you speak English, because you like English.
Hmm.
In fact, that is just only your private reasons.
Yes. My
Private
private
reason. Now
reason.
I'll tell you,
Ah.
we study English, there are very many reasons. Very many reasons. First, because I love English.
I love English. Okay.
Number 2,
Ah.
because English is the international language.
International language.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Because in my office there are very many foreigners.
Hmm.
So without knowing English, I can do nothing. Because I want to study. I want to study because there's many books are written in English. So many. So I don't understand English.
Sir,
I can use it.
I'm sorry. I'm interrupting you.
Ah,
I interrupt you.
interrupt. Okay.
You still have books in English?
Oh, still there are very many.
Still. Maybe next time, if you think that your books you don't use it, I will. I want it. I want your books.
You can buy it in what's it called?
If you don't use it, sir.
You can send some in Jakarta, you can, because the bookstore here is very scarce nowadays. Bookstores, no bookstores sebenarnya, no bookstores. Toko buku lah langka di Palembang.
Yes, I know.
Nah,
Ah.
saya beri dokter, dia minta carikan dokter percakapan bahasa Inggris, English conversations.
Yep.
I went in Jakarta, and I sent there, and they returned to me, and I get the doctor. That's my dentist. You understand dentist?
I know.
Ah,
Yes.
dokter gigi.
The doctor for the tooth.
Dokter gigi.
Tooth problem.
Tooth problem.
Yes.
Nah, dia perlu ini. Dulu pernah.
Sir, keep in English, sir.
Keep it
Keep it in English.
Oke. Iya. Tapi
No, in
you look,
Indonesia.
You look very apa sih? Very strange. My answer. Sorry.
I mean, if you think that, oh, you just keep your books useless at your home.
No.
I want to get it.
I'll still open it. Sometimes.
I want to get
I
it.
can depend it from my books. I can depend it from there. Although I don't teach in English anymore, I use that book.
You still read.
Sometimes I open it because
Yeah.
I'm afraid my science may be loose. Is I didn't open my books.
Yes.
Understand? I have one book. The title of the book is English Conversations. Essays like this.
Yes.
When I was teaching English, and 10 years ago, we use it because English 900s in English course. We will use English 900s, including the cassettes of English language. I watch cassette. I watch. English language. The English language, no translation. Everything.
Yes, I know. No translation
yeah.
at all.
Yeah,
At all.
Yeah. Jadi every book
100%.
100% English.
Yeah.
So that's what we use it. Nowadays, I would like to buy for a doctor, and I can find it in a bookstore because for nowadays it's very scarce.
Yeah, very rare.
So, yeah,
Rare.
jarang.
Yes.
Sudah langka,
Yes.
scarce, very scarce.
So with your knowledge, you support your children and also your grandchildren using English? You support?
Just only add my knowledge only. I never teach anymore. But the last one,
In your family, inside your family, I think. I mean,
yeah, sometimes I manage for nowadays one my grandson. Yeah,
your grandson.
yeah, still studying in UIN.
Oh,
My
already.
grandson,
So,
Aziz. Maybe you can
Yeah.
meet him. Maybe he's still kuliah for nowadays. Still
yes.
get a lecture.
So you think that tell the viewers English is important or very important?
Oh, very important.
Very important.
Yeah, you know, English is international language. We can say that in Indonesia, English is second language, not second language.
Third,
In Indonesia,
or maybe
English,
fourth.
in Indonesia, English still international language.
still.
If Singapore or Malaysia,
Oh, itu
maybe we can use it
the
because
first, yeah.
in Singapore or in Malaysia, English is second language.
Second language.
Yeah. In Indonesia, not more than 20% the people of Indonesia understand
Yes.
English. Sometimes
Include you, include us.
yeah,
Yes.
not only 20%.
Yes.
Our populations for this maybe almost 200 millions.
270, 80, malahan 80 udah, 80.
287. Nah, if we, times with 277, maybe not more than 20% the people in Indonesia understand English.
It's based on the research or the data or just your opinion?
Yeah, according to my opinions, in accordance with the
Your opinion.
we don't get it from survey and
Survey,
not
the
survey.
data,
Yeah.
research.
No. Including to my, because they understand, just only understands question and answer only. If we talk about question and answer only, there are very many. There are very many means. Yeah. Understand question and answer English.
Yes.
But English, I think it is not just only question and answers. I speak to you, understand me, and then let's go to Bali. In Bali, the people there understand question and answers, but they can make a special program in English language. They can make what we call scripty in English. They can make it because just only answers and answer question and answers English only.
Yes.
They use English that's only for daily speaking. But to study English, you must know how to read and write, how to write and
Yeah.
how to write and
How to read,
speak
how to write, how to speak.
To speak in many others. Jadi if you master how to write and speak English properly, maybe you can use it.
Yes.
There are many people that want to use your knowledge in English. But we just only question and answers. Yeah, we can go to English course. There are
Yes.
many our students there.
You know, sir, I'm promoting my English service using this bag.
Yeah.
I'm walking.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm walking.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Using this, wearing this bag, I'm walking around the city.
Besides
Serious.
you teach English. Are you a government officer?
No,
No, you don't.
no one. I'm nothing. I'm no one.
I'm a government officer. Government officer.
Okay. Because and
I
also
work
you
in-
retire.
I have department in. I work in the Department of Public Works.
Public
Department of Public Works.
Public Works. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. I understand.
I resigned from there because pension in the year of 2000.
2000.
The year of 2000s. Yeah, the year of 2000s. I resigned from Department of Public Books. Because
Civil servant.
Yeah,
Civil servant.
I pensioned from there. Pension into the year of 2000.
The year 2000.
Yeah.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Precisely.
Yeah, precisely. Besides that, I teach English.
Teach English.
When I go back from when finish working, I go to university as a lecturer.
Yes. So in the university, retire at the year.
Yeah, pension. Stop. Because I have been 60 years. I've been 60 years of age. I'm 60 years of age. Sudah berumur 60 tahun kan?
Yep.
Jadi saya pasti resign from because according to the rule, we are pensioned from lecture, maybe from teaching this, maybe 60 years only.
60 years.
Yeah, over 60 years.
The rule, the policy.
Yeah, the policy. Because I have been quite old, 60 years.
Yeah.
So I learned from there.
Guys, policy is not police.
Yeah,
not policeman. You please learn English.
I think your pronunciation is quite clear.
Clear, yeah.
Everybody knows you.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I understand.
You understand?
I think American English, sometimes the British English, sometimes it's very difficult to understand it.
Yes.
Because we pronunciations. Do you know some theories in studying English? Do you know some theories in studying English? Based on my experience, even more than 20 years in teaching English, I have made 6 theories in studying English. I have made some conclusions how to study English. The theories. Do you want to hear some theories in studying English?
The conclusion.
Yeah, conclusion.
Just the conclusion.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Okay. Based on my experience, even more than 20 years in teaching English, I have made conclusions. There are 6 theories in studying English. 6 theories in studying English.
6 theories.
Yeah, in studying English. The first, prepare a sheet of paper and a pencil and write the English words if necessary every day.
If necessary.
Yeah, every day.
For us, it's necessary. For us.
Yeah.
For us.
Prepare a sheet of paper and a pencil and try to write some English words.
Some English words.
Second,
A few English words.
Second, to learn by at least 6 or 5 words a day, and don't be ashamed or don't be shy to ask anything to the teacher that we don't really understand. Second,
Whenever we don't understand, ask our teacher.
yeah. Third,
The third one,
because I love English.
because I love English. And then,
Number 4, I want to make a writer in English.
I
I want to make a writer in English.
make a writer. What do you mean?
A writer, penulis.
Oh, you want to
I want to
become
make a writer.
author.
I want to become a writer in the future.
Okay.
Saya ingin menjadi penulis di masa yang akan datang.
Yes.
I want to become a writer.
So already
Yes.
you make book.
I make it.
You publish.
Yeah, because I make writer sometimes. If we're teaching, sometimes there is meeting in English. I am notulisnya,
Oh.
notulis rapat.
Yes. You. Oh.
Yeah.
So at the government office,
Office.
you prepare it.
Yeah. Notulis rapat.
You write it.
Yeah.
You plan it.
When there's a meeting,
the material.
You know, in my office,
Yeah.
I was work in some public works project.
Yeah.
In the project, most of documents of that project is all of English.
Must be written in English.
Yeah. much better than English. So I make it. Sometimes I make.
You the writer,
Yeah, the writer.
as a writer.
Yeah, as a writer.
Really great, guys. We meet someone special. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, number 5. Much reading in English. Number 6.
Wah.
Much reading in English. Number 6. In reading, we must express our voice.
In reading,
We must express our voice. We must express our voice.
okay. Increase our voice louder and louder.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
It means that people can hear our
with the
sound.
mouth, with the mouth, doesn't open loudly, and the sound is rather loud. We believe we are able to imitate as the English second language as the international language in Indonesia. That's 6 conclusions.
Six
Theories in English.
conclusions. Okay.
Number 1 tadi kan,
Yes.
prepare a paper and a pencil and try to write the English words. Try to write the English words.
Try to write.
Number 2,
Number 2.
be careful of the first two. And number 2, be careful of the pronunciations, especially its rising tonation and falling tonations.
You think that pronunciation is
Yeah.
also important?
Yeah, important.
Important.
Second, third.
The third
Set.
one,
Uh,
the theory of English, guys.
to learn by heart at least 6 or 5 words a day, and don't be shy or don't be ashamed to ask anything to the teacher that we don't really understand.
So finding new words
Yeah,
and try to get know the translation.
yeah. That's it. Number 4, much reading in English. Number 5, much practice in English. Number 6, the last one, in reading, we must express our voice. We must express our voice in reading.
Praise. Yes.
With the mouth doesn't open loudly, and the sound is rather loud. We believe we are able to imitate English as second language in Indonesia. Keren 6 teori itu kan, cara kita belajar bahasa Inggris.
Yes.
If we don't know the stories, I think in fail.
Fail, ya.
Yeah.
Fail.
Examples.
Many learners fail to learn English when they are learning.
When I start teaching English, I submit to them first the stories studying English.
Yes.
First of all, if you want to study English, you must study some theories, how to study it,
Yes.
studying it.
So with your 6 theories,
Yeah.
you tell
Based-
it to
based
your
on based on experience
Okay.
during more than 20 years in teaching English.
You ever tell these theories to your students?
Yes, my students, yes. First,
Ever?
Yeah. Especially the students of mahasiswa,
Yes.
just
University
elementary,
student.
and we didn't explain it. When the students of university,
Yes.
before studying English, everybody, before teaching, to submit first to you some theories in studying English.
Yes.
If you don't understand how to the theories, that means fail,
Yes.
because you don't meet, the theories. I think that's enough. Maybe you want to go home.
That's enough. Okay. I want to
My
shake
house,
shake your hand,
here, my house. This one.
sir. Thank you very much. And okay, I thank to him because he invite me to talk in English. Yeah, see you next time. Okay.
Okay. I'll see you later.